This is Little Falls, Minnesota, April 28th, 2015, in the backyard, and this pileated woodpecker is raising hell with this nest up here. I suppose it's an old squirrel's nest, and she or he is picking apart every leaf in there and getting all the bugs that are underneath of all that residue that's been left up there all winter. There was two here a minute ago. One of them left. I imagine there's grubs and all kinds of stuff that's collected in there. Maybe worms, who knows what. But it's having a feast. The leaves go flying. It's beautiful with that full red head. The other one had a full red head too. I don't know if that means they're both males, or I don't know that much about them. Sure is interesting watching.